Do you want to start going live on TikTok? Or you ever done a TikTok live before but you want to add on your experience on TikTok live? Grab your seat and keep this video to the end. I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide. First, I'm going to share with you the settings you need to turn on before going live on TikTok because they are helpful. And then, if you don't want to show your face on camera, I'm going to show you how you can go live with a picture or with audio only. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, before going live on TikTok, you need to be at least 16 years old and above. And also, you need to have 1,000 followers. If you have that, let's go on with the tutorial. Now go on and go to your TikTok profile and then press right here where you post your videos from. Press on that plus sign. Then make sure it's in live. Make sure it's in live right here. Now, after reaching this page, the first thing you're going to do is to add a live title right here. Don't go live without a title. So you can type in anything you want. Now, after adding a live title right here, make sure you press right here on add a live goal. Make sure that you press right here on add a live goal and then set your live goal. If you don't know how to add a live goal, make sure you go in the description. There is a link to the video how to add a live goal. It is helpful. Now, after doing that, make sure you come on settings. Make sure that you come on settings. Now you can press right here to add some moderators who can help you manage your TikTok live, and then make sure that you press here to introduce yourself on your viewers. About me, press right there to introduce yourself to your viewers. Now make sure that you scroll right here and turn on live gifts and gift gallery. As you can see right there, make sure they are turned on so that you can receive some gifts on your TikTok live. And then make sure you press on comment settings also. And then make sure that you allow comments on your TikTok live. The more you allow comments on your TikTok live, the more viewers who are going to be on your TikTok live because you are going to engage with them. Now, after doing that, make sure that you go back right here. Make sure that you go back right here. Now, if you don't want to show your face on camera, make sure that you press on voice chat right here on voice chat. The moment you switch to voice chat, you're not going to show your face on camera. It is going to be audio alone. But if you want to show a pic on your TikTok live, you're not showing your face on camera, but there is a picture on your TikTok live, you're going to press right here on device camera again. And then press on effects right here. Now make sure I press on green screen right here. And then make sure that you choose this effect right here. Now after pressing on that effect, TikTok is going to bring your gallery right here. Make sure that you choose any photo you would like to appear on your TikTok screen. So that's how you can go live with a picture without showing your face on camera, but using a picture. But make sure that you flip the camera to the back camera, because if you use the front camera, your face will appear in front of this picture. Now, after doing that, now if you want to stream games live on TikTok, you press right here on mobile gaming. You press right here on mobile gaming. Make sure that you turn on mobile gaming. Now after switching to the mobile gaming feature, you'll be able to stream games live on TikTok and you can choose any game of your choice. If you don't have this feature of mobile gaming, go down in the description. There is a link to the video how to apply for the mobile gaming feature on TikTok. After press on go live, but after going live on TikTok, don't forget to engage with your viewers. Reply to the comments. It helps you to keep the viewers on the live. Now don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.